How's it going, guys? Here we are on the job at Red Hill. It's 10 AM in the morning and we're about ready to slide this thing. I've got soap boards up there. Doubt if you can see it, but there is a soap board just underneath that steel beam. And we have another one. Point to it, Frank. The soap board just there. There's a piece of hardwood underneath the steel. And another piece of hardwood underneath that soap board with soap, so they got soap in between each other. I'll show you in a second. Because we're heading up there. There's our soap boards. Here's what they look like. It's just a piece of flooring. Okay, common shottage. Okay, smooth side, see, common shottage. Smooth side, and we apply soap. Where's my soap? Hang on. All we do is use the sunlight soap, which is one of the best for this, because it is pure soap. Okay, and we just soap the board. If you've ever stood on a bar of soap in the shower, you'll know how slippery it gets. Okay, so you never stick it steel to steel with soap in between, because there's no way you can stop it. Reason why we use timber is because timber compresses. So as the house is being pushed across the top of this, one piece of timber is compressing into the other, and so it acts as a sort of brake, which is what we want. We don't want this going too fast. We want it as a brake. So let me climb this ladder and we'll show you what it looks like up here and how we do this. All right, yeah, there we are. Okay, we put the jack on an angle. We're actually pushing against the sty we've got the house sitting on. Okay, we've got a little bit more soap board past there, because this is the sty it's coming off of. As we move over, and I'm pushing over the top of this one. Okay, so this one's where the house is going to finish on this sty, and it comes off this one. So what we do, just a couple of little pumps, Frank. If you can see this, get close here. As we push, okay, can you see that? Yeah. Are you moving, Frank? You spat out. Okay, so she is moving slowly, but that's all we do. We push it across the top, and of course, as it starts getting new soap underneath it, it starts slipping a bit faster. So Frank's over in that corner over there. He's pushing. You may need to come over to this one over here. See how we go. Anyway. Alright guys, we'll show you more as we get this thing across, but right now I've got to get concentrating on jacking the house and not playing with the video, okay, because the house this is a dangerous job and we don't want any problems. So we will talk to you again soon, okay? Thanks for joining us. Come back again to the next one where we show you the house has moved over and maybe even a bit more sliding. Okay, talk to you again soon. Oh, don't forget that subscribe button and the like, and any comments, please comment on the videos. Very much appreciated. Love to talk to you. Thanks. See you guys. Bye.